Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince, your trading friend. Friends, today's video is going to be very special because I bet that this kind of knowledge sharing will not happen in any kind of seminars or any kind of paid workshops or webinars or anything of that sort. This is going to be pure skill, pure knowledge which you're going to learn today. So stay tuned till end of the video. And what is it all about, that you will know yourself. I'm not going to tell what it is, that you're going to learn something special today. So one hint which I want to give is, many people were asking, sir, when we're doing covered call and covered puts, and imagine if next day we have a gap up or gap down in the opposite direction, then how do we manage? Okay, so I also was telling the same thing. Please give me an opportunity to show that as well, demonstrate as well. So today we have got an opportunity because the stock which we had taken yesterday opened with a gap and it was in the opposite direction, and we were in huge loss in the morning. But then how we adjusted, very simple, very easy manner, without any additional funds, all those things I will show you. So stay tuned till end of the video. And people, those who have not subscribed still, this is a channel for all the working professional. You'll be getting lots of live trading videos, strategies, and a lot of support. In case if you want any backtested file, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. So let's go into the straight into the live trading. And I mean, it's not live trading, it's a trading which we have done today. And the stock selected is SBI future. So since SBI future was having a loss yesterday, the trend was reversing, we had decided to go with covered put. So that is why I am selecting the put option. So you can see that we have added the put option. So it is 170 put option which we have added. So we will be selling the future and also selling the put option. This is nothing but covered put. Okay, so as we had learned from a mistake previously, first we will be executing the option, that is the options parameter, and then we will be placing market order for future. So you can see that the order is not triggered still. That's the reason why I was telling we need to place the option first. Okay, so let me just look into the depth. So even by adjusting, it's not getting filled. Okay, now it is completely filled, you can see. So once the option is filled, now we have to sell the future as well. So I am placing a market order and the future is sold. Okay, so friends, the order has been placed now. So you can see that the future is sold, you can see it is negative, and also the put option is sold, it is negative. Now friends, just want to give you a clarification. Yesterday many had a confusion that how come I got this profit of 2400 whereas it's only 750 or 850 or something like that. That is what everyone were commenting. The reason is because this, friends, Upstock has completely different interface when compared to Zero than others, where they will show the P&L that is from yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we placed the trade one day before. That is why you can see that the PNL will be different and the MTM also will be different. Both will be different. So MTM will be only what we can see today. So what I will do is I will just show you today how it has happened exactly, why this confusion has happened. I will show the difference between the M2M and the PNL so that you will get a clarity. Okay, so we have placed the trade over one day before evening. We have placed the trade, and nothing else to be done. Just place the order. Next day morning, if it is profit, we can book the profits. If it is loss, we just have to do the adjustment. Okay, superb. Now just check the time. The time is 9:20, and you can see morning when the market opened, it has opened with a gap, and our future which we had intended to go down has started to move up, and we are making a loss. So the future is in loss as of now. So ideally, if you were trading normal regular, the loss would have been 8,100, but you can see as of now the loss is only 5,250. Friends, just want to explain to you this concept as well, because many were confused. What is this M2M and P&L? So this M2M is achieved by these both. That is today morning, whatever the difference is there, that is 8,100 and 3,900. 900 if you minus, you will get 4,000 200. But whereas this 5250 is the PNL, that is nothing but the overall trade, that is from the position when we took yesterday. I will show you that also, so that you'll get a clarity. Okay, so first let me what we can do is, yeah, so I have opened the order which we had taken yesterday, and you can see that yesterday we had taken at 8.60, yes, and now to 7.25. Whereas you can see here, this is the overall P&L from yesterday, whereas this is the MTM. So both will be different, don't get confused. Okay, so this 4000 is which we have to look, because this is the position which we have taken yesterday. So hope you can see it is 4050 profit P&L from yesterday, but now you can see it is only 3900. That is MTM. Okay, don't get confused, it's MTM. That is today's profit is 3900, but from yesterday when we took position it is 4000 rupees profit. That is why the confusion yesterday, which many were asking me. Okay, the same with the case with future also. You can see, yeah, from yesterday the PNL is 9750, but now the MTM is 8550, which you can see here. It's today's MTM, which profit is showing, that is nothing but the MTM. But from overall yesterday when you're taking it is minus 9750. Okay, so hope your doubts are all cleared. Many had lots of doubts on this, and don't worry, we're all doing it in a legal way, in a correct way, nothing to worry about it. Okay, so today what are we going to do? We saw the losses, so it is almost reached 6000. So what we have to do, and okay, just look into the graph, and basically I do the trend analysis. This is where I say you need to learn options, and also you need to learn trend analysis for doing all these kinds of adjustments. If you don't know to do trend adjustments, then please don't do it. Just book your loss or profit in the morning itself. Okay, so I have taken the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, and see this is what I was talking about, the huge gap here. The market opened with a gap, and you can see that already the loss is huge. So what do we do? I'll show you. Okay, so today, just because I wanted to explain this particular scenario, I have recorded, and also, as you know, my main accounts are all closed now because we already achieved profits for this month of June. So I had time for doing all this analysis and showing it to you. Otherwise, generally what happens is I'll be busy with my main accounts, and as you all know, there are open trades as well, so there won't be time for all these kinds of recording and explanation. But now we are having time, so I'm just explaining to you. Okay, so generally what happens, if at all I'm having a loss of around 1%, if I'm having a loss of 1%, I will immediately buy a put option. Sorry, here in this case we have to buy a call option. Okay, so if it is 1% loss, I will buy a call option, because you know market is going up, it is going in the opposite direction, so we are going to buy. Okay friends, we are going to buy. Reason, because we are not going to keep it for the next day, we will be closing it today itself, and premium decay won't be there much if at all you're trading in the same day and closing the same day. That is why we are going to buy option. Okay, so if there is 2% loss, that means you will buy 2 call option. If there is 3% loss, then you can buy 3 call option. So nobody is stopping you from doing this. You can do how much you want. And also I'll show you that how to convert the funds. You don't need extra funds for all these things. Same funds can be used. Okay friends, so now you can see the loss is huge, and already we have crossed okay, I was press the camera. Yeah, so let us continue. I'll just show you how we did the adjustments today, and there was nothing to panic. Okay, also you just have to be mindful. So since it's a 15-minute why am I pressing the camera again? Okay, since it's a 15-minute candle, be careful with the direction of the trend. Okay, so now you can see the trend is positive, so that is why we have bought the call option. As soon as you see the trend coming down, that with our trend analysis, you have to immediately close these call options. You can't keep it till end of the day. You have to look into the screen for all these kinds of adjustments. Yes, so you find if the candle is started to coming down, then immediately close off these call options. You don't have to keep it. Yes, okay, so as per this trend analysis, we can see that the market is going up and it will continue much further. This is as per our analysis. So what we can do is immediately we can plan for buying the call option. So we will be buying the same strike price of the put options as well. So it is 170 put which we had sold. So as of now, we let us take 170 call option as well. So I have added the 170 call option into the watch list. So you can see that this is the 170 call option. It is presently trading at 14.20. So I have added it into the watch list and then immediately I am just buying it. Okay. So since our loss is already crossed more than 3%, so I will plan of buying 3 lots. Okay. And one more thing, this is what I was telling. Just go to your portfolio. Yes, you can see an option here in the portfolio, convert position. Just click on that, friends, nothing else. So as of now, you can see the future is in delivery. So once you press this convert option, it will automatically get converted into intraday, and then you will have lots of funds for doing all the adjustments. So you can press this. Once you do that, you can see that your future also has come into intraday. So your request for converting position has been sent successfully. So immediately the future also become intraday and you will get lots of funds. So you don't have to add any extra funds for adjustments. So this is how we trade with the same funds. So this is fund generation has been done. So let us now place a buy order in the call option, and once again I'm placing the limit order. So total I have decided to place 3 orders. I'll go one by one. Reason because you place big orders, then again there will be a lot of slippages. Okay, so let me do the adjustments as well because it's not filling. The quantity is not filling. So 14.30, yes, it is completed. So as of now it is 1:1 ratio, but we can see the loss is huge. It's almost 3%. So let me add further 2 more lots. So I can't wait now, so I'll just add immediately. So 14.30, so it's still an open order. So let us try adjusting it. The market has moved to 14.40, but still our order is not yet completed. It's still open. Never mind, let us just look into the, I'll just try adjusting it. I'll make it 14.20 and just see. Still it's not filling. Just let us look into the depth. We'll get a clear understanding. So okay, so it is at 14.40. So you can see that it is at 14.40 and 14.45, and you can see the 6,000 is placed by me itself. No, I had changed it to 14.20. That means minus somewhere here. Okay, so never mind, I'll just make it a little more higher so that the quantity gets filled. I'll just change in the decimal points. All this is going to be learnings for your friends. So let me just modify it into 14.50. I'll go a little more higher so that my quantity gets, yes, you can see it exactly, it has got filled. And now you can see our ratio is 1:3. Now friends, if at all your future is making loss because it's going the opposite direction, you have 2 components that is making profit for you. Yes. So the call option, the put option also will be making money for you. The call option also is making money for you. And also, since your losses were huge, I had taken a quantity. So you need to judge how much quantity you have to take as well. So this is how we are doing our adjustments today. And let us see further if at all we have to sell or we have to close and all those things. But seeing the trend, we can find that SBI is going to continue much higher, and in fact it went much higher. So now friends, around 9:45 you can see that we have almost recovered our losses and we have come into profit. I have not done anything else. It's the same ratio which we are there. The 3 put lots which we have taken has made us recover our losses. So let me start closing my trades. So because we already got a target, my usually targets around 5,000 rupees. So today in fact I just want to recover my loss and come to 0 level, but you can see that it's already come to good profits. So let me just close off my trades. So as per the requirements, I'm just placing the orders and then closing all the trades. Okay, friends. So don't you think it was a wonderful trade today, wonderful learning? So you can see that we have made our profits today 7,800. So even though we had loss with future, the overnight put option which we had taken has saved us by 7,000 rupees, and by today's adjustment we have covered profits, we have got profits as well. Yes, so this is the beauty of options. In stock futures or in equities, what happens is if at all you get a loss, you'll keep the stop loss and you book your loss. But whereas in options, you can do your hedging and then generate profit in any direction. This is the best part of option. This is why I'm saying again, 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 and again, start learning options, friends. It's very, very, very good. And once I knew the power of options, I never even felt like going for naked kind of trades in futures and all those things. Okay, so you can also observe that almost all my trades now are in options, and I generally do big funds trading in options as well because money is very, very safe. Okay, so no open trades, all have been closed, and then profit for today is 7,800. And if at all you see, the P and L will be different. Yeah, the P and L will be different, and the M to M will be different always. Just wanted to show you again that so that nobody will have any confusion with that M to M and P and L doubts which many were having. Okay, so the today's profit is 8850, but overall we have made 7,800, which is from yesterday. So I am only writing down 7,500. So what a way to reach 29,000 rupees, almost 15% of our returns of our capital. Yeah, so the money used was hardly less than 2 lakhs. So even if you say 30,000 profits, it's more than 15%. So we are sticking to our plan. Don't you think we are sticking to our plan and executing the same? Our plan is make sure we make small losses or no losses or break even and make big profits. So whenever you get small profits like this 2000, don't have to worry. Sometime or the other you will get these kinds of big profits. You have to wait patiently for that. This is why many trend following people make money in stock market. Okay, so whenever there will be loss, the losses will be small or break even, but whenever the profits are there, it will be big. So you have to wait patiently for this kind of big profits, and this is how you make this kind of returns every month consistently and safely. Friends, hope you liked today's video. It was very, very good for me as well, and I got a very good scenario to explain to you how to handle these gaps as well, how to do the adjustments as well. And before just closing, just want to give an update. Any support you want or any training or any backtested files of mine, you can whatsapp me. My number is 8095 876525. The trading platform which I'm using is Upstock. It has full interface, very good interface. You can see in case if you want to learn, you want to check out your deltas, you don't have to go to any other website. Same in this trading platform, mobile platform itself, you'll get the deltas or the Greeks, theta, everything will be available. It's a very good trading platform. In case if you want to join Upstock, use the link which I have provided. Also Alice Blue, in case if you want to join, use the link which I have provided in the description of my video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my trainings and open trades. Okay, friends, hope today's video was worth it. I was really excited to share this video to you all, and it's hope it's same with you. So thank you. Let's look into tomorrow how the trade is going to be. So sorry, tomorrow is holiday, so let's wait till Monday how it is going to be. So till then, let us have a very good weekend, and once again, what a way to end the week. Today being Friday with very good profits, I'm sure Saturday, Sunday will be very good because now we can spend time healthily with family. That's what I meant, nothing else. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.